In the language of science, a seed coat is called testa. I repeat, in the language of science, a seed coat is called testa. T-E-S-T-A, testa. Now, what is the function of this seed coat? Why do the seed have a seed coat? Okay, seed coat basically protects the seed. Protects the seed from any mechanical or physical injury. Okay, if the seed falls down, who is protecting it? It is the seed coat which is protecting the seed. Now, there is a tiny hole in the seed coat. A small hole is there. Okay. Now, there is a purpose of the seeds having a seed, this tiny hole. Why? Or why do they have it? What is the function? It allows the inward flow of water. Now, in the language of science, this tiny hole that is present in the seed is called micropyle. I repeat, the tiny hole is named micropyle. M-I-C-R-O-P-Y-L-E, micropyle. Okay, so it allows the inward flow of water. Now, when the seed is opened, we see the seed leaves. These seed leaves are named as cotyledons. Okay, the seed leaves are called cotyledons. What is the function of the seed leaf? The function of the seed leaf is to store food for the baby plant. So cotyledon is basically providing nourishment to the baby plant. So I'll again revise. A seed has a seed coat which is called the testa. The seed coat protects the seed. It has a tiny hole which is called micropyle. It allows the inward flow of water, and when the seed is opened, we see the seed leaves which is called the cotyledon. Its function is it stores food for the baby plant. After fertilization, the next important process that is followed is germination. Now, what is germination? Germination is the process by which seeds grow from seedling to young plants by using sufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients. You have seen your mother sowing seeds in the soil. What do you do then? You water it every day, don't you? Yeah, see, so this is one of the process involved. Okay, so you are helping the seed to grow from a seedling to a young plant, then to a tree. So this process is germination. So I repeat, germination is the process by which seeds grow from seedling to young plants by using sufficient air, water, sunlight and nutrients. So now you can understand the difference between fertilization and germination. I'll be a little more precise. First process is pollination. That is, first the pollen grains get transferred from the anther to the stigma, which is followed by fertilization. What is fertilization? It involves the fusion of the male and the female gamete. Immediately after fertilization, you find a seed. Like I said, the product formed after fertilization is a seed. This is when the process of germination is involved, where we watered the seed and help it to grow from seedling to young plant. Now, let us look into the process of germination. This is a daily practice. One who loves gardening, you all will be acquainted with the process. What are the process involved? The seed is buried in the soil. It gets warmth and water. Warmth is the sunlight. Then the baby plant develops root. Then the shoot. The shoot grows upward towards the light. Then we see that leaves appear on the shoot. Okay. Then the seedlings grow to become a new plant. So I repeat, the seed is buried in the soil. It gets warmth and water. The baby plant develops root. Then the shoot that grows upward towards the light. Then leaves appear on the shoot. then the seedling grows to become a new plant. So plants reproduce. That means what? A lot of seeds are formed. Now for example, if we sow a lot of seeds on the same place, there will be a competition developed amongst the seed. Competition? What kind of competition? Competition to get the maximum nutrients. The place will be crowded, but the nutrition supplied will be limited, and all seeds will try to grow up. So there will be a competition, and as a result, a lot of seeds will fail to grow. Okay? A solution to this problem is there. Okay? That is what? Dispersal. What is dispersal? It is the process by which seeds travel away